HH Flooring Group is a factory specialized in flooring products. The group has two factories, one in Changzhou and one in Fujian. It has entered the wood flooring industry since 2008. The Changzhou factory is located in the country's largest composite floor distribution center, with more than 100 employees, a production plant of 15,000 square meters, and an exhibition hall of 3,000 square meters. Excellent production quality ensures the quality of our flooring products to all our customers worldwide. The Fuzhou factory has a design area of 30,000 square meters and has 6 production lines. The current main products include laminate flooring, SPC flooring, multilayer floorings, and other major series. Equipped with QC department, we have strict quality control from the very beginning of production till the delivery. Products are widely used in commercial and residential areas. With excellent design capabilities, first-class guarantee of raw materials, and through advanced manufacturing process and management system, we achieve progressively second-to-none rapid delivery capabilities. Our products are sold worldwide, including US, Canada, Panama, Mexico, UK, Switzerland, Germany, Qatar, Israel, Saudi Arabia, Philippines, Thailand, Vietnam, Myanmar, Korea, Japan, etc. If you want to know more about our product,
please contact us on hhfloorgroup.com.